So you're at Club Old Bar. It's a registered club. We also have a motel that's adjacent, and we also have a club in at Taree, which is Club West. Recently put in an outdoor playground and an indoor playground as well, just for families in the community, because the community is growing. We sponsor a lot of groups within the community, but we are wanting to be focused on family friendly and a place for families to be able to come and enjoy our facilities. The mini golf's great for everybody, all ages, from young kids to older groups can come and enjoy the golf. You're outdoors in a great climate. It's a great place to be. The area that we're in now is classed as our outdoor terrace. It's a great area to be outside but still have the inside facilities. It's utilised for functions and just for groups to sit outside. So when we were choosing our furniture for outdoors, we had to be really selective about what we chose, and we needed to choose furniture that was durable. So it has to be great for our environment, which is a marine environment, and this furniture that we've chosen through Nextrend's been amazing. It looks as good as the day that we put it in. It's nearly 3 years old and it's just durable, and we still get great comments from patrons and customers. We recently had a customer inquire about wanting to purchase some of the furniture for her home, which is a good compliment when they come to the club and want to purchase that furniture to take home. We wanted a product that could possibly be recycled at the end of its use, and Nextrend's furniture that we did purchase has got that capability. The other thing that we considered is the product does last, so we're not turning our furniture over, and so therefore it's not going into landfill. The process with dealing with James from Nextrend was very easy. He was on site within a matter of days to come up and have a look at the space that we wanted to fill. He put in some suggestions for the furniture that he would think would be most suitable, and he was right. I think when choosing furniture, cheaper isn't always the best. If you're looking for a return on investment and you want people to come back and enjoy your facilities and enjoy what you offer, then it's certainly a good investment for your business.